This is just a small video of the installation of the new coilovers against the, cleaned up car. There's nothing better in my opinion. New parts on a clean car. Win-win. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel where I try to get my B5S4 back on the road. Unfortunately, small setback where I needed to use the coil packs as well as the adapters to get the all-road back on the road. So need to get that as well as put back the ECU. And what else do I need to do on this thing? I can't remember, but minor things to get it back on the road. But today what we are going to be doing is getting rid of the gap. Right now it's on stock suspension, so I'll be putting on some coilovers and lowering it a bit. All right, let's get to it. So this is the gap we're trying to get rid of. This is the front and this is the gap in the rear. Alright, so the fronts are out, and maybe it's a good thing I changed my mind and take out the whole top hat, because I think the upper control arm is supposed to look like this, at least close together and not mismatched like this. So it seems as if I had to check the bushing on that control arm and see what's up with it, but clearly needs some cleaning, and we'll get to changing out these stock coilovers for the new ones, which are cheap ones, because I only care about going low. It's not going to be my track car, so I don't care about performance right now. All right, front and rear coilovers are, well, stock coilovers are out, and dirt everywhere. I mean, it is a 2001, so that's like 23 years of dirt. That's gonna be gone. All right, so this is what 23 years of dirt from this car suspension look like, and obviously we cannot put these things back on the car as is. I mean, they're just nasty, right? So gonna get them all cleaned up, and this is the before, and soon after will come the after. Okay, that was weird, a little weird to say. All right, BRB. Alright, so these are the coilovers and obviously the parts of the car that they need to be attached to. And to help myself out, I'm obviously going to use the new nut rather than the old one. Plus, I marked off on the top hats, or whatever you call these things, where these two nuts on the side, where they go on this thing. I don't know what the hell it is. So that goes there, and then one will go there and there, because I didn't want to make a mistake and then have to take this all the way back out again. That would just absolutely suck. So I'm gonna attach them and then put them on the car. BRB. And speaking of dirt and grease, I mean, y'all probably can't see it too well, but this is nasty. Again, 21, wow, math is way off. 23 years of just dirt and grease that has never been cleaned, so we are definitely going to take care of that. All right, so we got 1/4 of the car cleaned. It is not as clean as I want it to be, but I guess it will have to do. I mean, for comparison, check out the other side. This is how it used to be, just looking all black. Not supposed to be like that. All right, the cleaning continues. All right, so the cleaning is done, and this is the end result. This is the front. And this is the rear. Alright, so where we left off is that the car is now clean and time to get the coilovers on. So fronts first, and then I'll put on the rear. Alright, sorry about the lighting, but as you can see, the coilovers are on and the car is almost done. Alright, so the wheels are back on. Then after that, the plan is to obviously adjust ride height.